Going green, we're about to enter the shed.
It's shocking that this is happening in this country. Every single farm we've been to, they've been breaking the law.
This has to be illegal.
It's something that's really broken my heart.
I wish we could rescue them all.